it's JeanetteJBeauty and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I styled my hair 10 different ways from one main style. Of course, starting on freshly washed hair as I always do. Now I'm going to part my hair into quadrants. I'm using my favorite Rattail Comb to part my hair. I love it because it's sturdy and it helps me to create nice clean parts. Now that my hair is divided into fours, I can start the styling process, and I use the WLOS method, which is a term I came up with to help me style my hair and keep it nice and moisturized throughout the week until I wash my hair next. It stands for applying my water, leave-in conditioner, oil, and my styler in that order. I did spray a good amount of water to the whole section, worked it in. Next, I'm applying my leave-in conditioner, which is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In Conditioner from SheaMoisture, and I love this so much. One of my favorite leave-ins just because it leaves my hair feeling so hydrated and soft. Next, I'm going to apply my oil, and this one is from Weleda. It's their rosemary hair oil. I love this one. It keeps my scalp in check and also keeps that moisture locked in. I love using oils just to help seal the moisture in my hair, and I did use a wide tooth comb just to make sure that my hair is tangle free and that the leave-in conditioner and oil are properly distributed throughout this whole section. And then I twisted my hair just to make sure that I lock this moisture in, and I've been doing this for several years now, and it definitely makes a difference with keeping that moisture retained in your hair. And I'm going to repeat the same process on the other 3 sections. Now that all 4 sections have my leave-in conditioner and oil applied in them, I'm going to twist my hair in the whole back section. I like to work back to front, and that's typically how I style my hair. And I have several how to twist and how to do a nice twist out here on my channel. I will link one here in the iCards and also down below in the description box so you can watch it. But you can see here, all I'm doing is making a horizontal part, and this is going to create my first section, and I'm going to create 3 2-strand twists. And for my styler, I'm using this aloe whipped butter gel from Camille Rose, and I love this styler so much. It smells good. It really keeps my hair nice and moisturized. It gives me a great hold and definition every single time that I've used it, so I would highly recommend to use this. And I'm using my Rattail Comb just to help smooth this into my hair in that section and making sure that it is tangle free. And I'm going to 2-strand twist my hair and making sure that I'm doing it with purpose. That's how I can explain how to twist your hair and how to have a successful style for any style that you do, not just a twist out, because when you really style your hair with intention, you are really creating that nice definition, that curl pattern that you want. So if you half step it, your results most likely aren't going to look the way that you want. It's so important to smooth your styler in your hair and also just making sure that it's tangle free. I'm going to do another video where I spill my twist out secrets, so stay tuned for that. I know that many of you are going to love it. And here's how the back section looks after I have 2 strand twisted it. Now I'm going to flat twist the front of my hair. I'm using a different Rattail comb. This one just has the metal in, and I find that it gives me really sharp parts. My first part is going to be a diagonal one, and I'm keeping it mostly in the center. And I made another part that's parallel to the first part, and this is going to create the first section for the first twist. And because I like my styles to look really sharp and defined, I'm going to use this Style Factor Edge Booster and apply it right onto my roots and use an edge brush just to brush this right in. I just want my twist to look really sharp. And before I start any flat twist, I'm going to pour a little of that Weleda oil on some rubber bands, and this is going to help prevent friction as I'm securing my flat twist with the rubber bands. And I'm going to create these nice flat twists all across the front of my hair. And I have to make a flat twist tutorial, but it's pretty simple. All you're doing is just rolling your hair around, and I use my thumb just to make sure that my hair is tucked in. I just think of it as a roll and just keep rolling my hair around itself all the way back. And I like to use 2 rubber bands to help secure my hair. I apply a little bit more of that styler and brush the remaining hair out, and then I'm going to do a 2 strand twist all the way down. And for this remaining section, I'm going to flat twist my hair all the way back, and all of them are going to be parallel to each other. And make sure that you are combing your hair as you're doing your 2 strand twist. This is going to help ensure that you get a good amount of definition and holds. And fast forward, I've completed 1 section. Now I'm going to create more flat twists going in the opposite direction on the other side. And just like that, the other side is all completed. And for this middle section, I'm going to alternate the direction of the flat twist going back. And here's how my hair looks in the front and in the back. To help set the flat twist, I'm going to apply the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Mousse. I love this, especially when I'm doing my perm ride outs or flexi rod sets. And then I'm going to secure my hair with this scarf and call it a night. Fast forward to the next day, and I made sure that my hair was 100% dry. My lighting is going to get better. My hair, it just looks so good, and I was so happy to create these styles. I am using this Edge Control by Ebin. It's their 24-hour edge tamer just to help style my edges. I secured my scarf on for 5 minutes just to help my edges set for the day. All right, now it's time to create these styles. And the first style has to be this one, of course. I really love this, and I've worn my hair out like this several times. My hair is protected, and I just like the overall look. Next, I'm gonna take one of these scrunchies from 4th Grade Beauty and just pull all the twist up. And this is the second look. And because I love accessorizing a look, especially my hair, I'm going to add these gold clips in right on the rubber band. So this is totally optional, but I just like the way that this jazzes the style up a little bit. And I'm gonna repeat styles 1 and 2 with the gold clips in. And for this next style, I'm gonna take a rubber band and just pull all the twist up and create a bun. Actually 2 buns, so this is going to be a double bun look, and I just love the way that this looks. I think this has to be one of my top 3 styles. Alright, and now to start unraveling these twists. So I'm going to unravel majority of them, but I'm going to leave several of the twists in for a nice bun. So this is like a nice half bun, half out style, but I have my flat twist in the front. And this definition from the twist are definitely there, and this is the 4th look. And now to unravel the remaining twist for a nice twist out in the back half. And for this next style, I'm gonna gather all my hair in the back up into a nice puff. And let me know if you like your puffs high or kind of in the middle. I think I like a nice high puff a little better, but both look good to me. And for this next style, I'm pretty much just doing a half up, half down, but of course the flat twists are in the fronts. And for the next style, I'm taking these bobby pins and just pinning the loose hairs down to create a nice bun. And I really love the way that this style came out. It's really sophisticated, and with the twist in the front, it just looks so nice. And for this last style, I'm gonna put half of my hair in the back up and create a nice bow. I just love doing this. I think that I've created bows maybe 3 times in the past on different styles, and it just creates a whole vibe. And to create a bow, it's pretty simple. Instead of pulling my hair all the way through the elastic, I stop 3/4 of the way, and that remaining hair, I just flip over to the front, secure it with the bobby pin, and fluff the ends out to create that bow. And I took this comb just to pick my hair for some extra volume. And here's style number 10. I really hope that you enjoy these 10 styles coming from one main style. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. I'll be looking forward to them, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.